JUNHONG Electronic and Technology, Dongguang Company Limited, established in 2005, who has been specialized in R&D of security detection technology for 12 years. We are supplying various of product range, walk-through metal detectors, handheld metal detectors, industrial metal detectors, underground metal detectors, X-ray baggage scanners, X-ray body scanner, explosives detector, under-vehicle surveillance systems. All our products conform to US and EU standard. As a manufacturer, we have a professional research and development team, a young sales team, and after-sales service team. We can offer professional products and service for worldwide customers. We strictly conform to international standard of ISO 9001 as a strict quality control system. We supervise all the production processes from material purchasing, processing, and storage to delivery, providing the high-quality products and service to our customers. In the international market, we provide customized services for customers. By the means of reliable quality and super service, we have earned a good reputation home and abroad. Our mission is keeping everybody safe and establish a harmonious society and make the world a better place. We sincerely welcome customers from both at home and abroad to cooperate with us to develop friendly and mutually beneficial business relationships for long term.